Hello everybody, today I have this Freightliner Cascadia. This particular Freightliner Cascadia is having battery issues, a low battery because the weather is cold right now. If that happens to you, you're gonna be stuck in the middle of the road or in a truck stop, and it's gonna cost some money for a road service to go and jump start your truck, or to someone to jump start with cables your truck. And it's gonna take you time, especially if you have limited time for the loads, and in so many situations that happens to owners and truck drivers. But when these kind of situations happens to you, you can use this. This is a jump start for trucks. Truck pack it's called. This is the number, serial number. This is for trucks to jump start. You can recharge it at home or at the truck. It's portable. It weighs around 50 pounds, 60 pounds, around that weight. So all you gotta do is to hook the red and the black to the batteries like this, as you can see, red and black. And then you have to switch the switch over here to 12 volt system, because trucks are equipped with 12 volts. So we go to 12 here, and now we try to start the engine. As you can see, it works fine, especially in this jumper is portable and start a truck. It's a very useful item that you can carry on your truck, and it costs around $700. I think that's the bad part. It's kind of expensive, but compared to the price, to the kind of issues it can solve on the road, I think it's worth the money. And after you finish using it, you just unhook the cables and switch these to off position, and that be all. And now you have to recharge it, because the level is gonna be low. You can see over here, when it's ready to charge, it's gonna be in green. There are some issues with this charger anyway. Then I wanna tell you, I've been testing this charger for a while, and I know that there are a couple issues with it. It's not perfect, you know, like everything. One of them is it won't start a truck that has no batteries at all. If the truck has no batteries, it won't start, it won't do anything. It was just like try to start, but it was just like one rep and that's it. If the truck has batteries but they're completely dead, in a way that you switch the ignition key and nothing turns on, it won't start the engine as well. And if one of the batteries too is completely dead or exploded, it won't start the engine as well. So it is not perfect, as I say, but at least it works. If for some reason you left the lights on and the battery went low, or if for some reason the batteries are dying but they still keeping some amount of charge, it will still work for you. So I guess this is all I'm going to be showing you about this charger, this Buster jumper. Very useful, especially for truck drivers, owner operators, or anybody that goes out of the state, and something like this happen over the road, you're gonna have serious problems. So I guess it's a good purchase. I purchased it to test it, and it works, and I like it. But still, as I said before, it got some problems, like the ones I mentioned before. But I mean, I guess nothing is perfect. And if you want the expensive one, the one that has real power to turn on the truck, even if the batteries are dead. Costs so much money and it's really heavy. You cannot carry on the truck that booster, that jumper. In this case, this is very small, and you can start a truck. And if you can start a truck, you can start any other vehicle, no matter what type of vehicle. You can start any single vehicle that has 12 volt battery and 24 system batteries. So I will try to research about this item, where you can buy it, and I want to leave in the description below a direct link for that. And pretty much that's all. If you have questions about this video, you can comment below in the comment section, leaving comments and suggestions, questions about this item. And if you want to send some support to my channel, you can check the video description below, where I have details how to send support to my channel, so I can continue making helpful videos and reviews of items like this, which I'm gonna continue doing to help everybody over the road. So like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.